Automatic thermoforming vacuum packing machine. The 304- stainless steel construction is suitable for all environments. Surface arc design, every detail is humanized. Mechanical structure of lower film device. Mechanical structure of mold of lower film device. Mechanical structure of upper film device. Mobile inkjet printing date mechanical structure. Inkjet printing date sets parameters. Packaging machine setting parameters. Lower film conveying. The film lower is formed by a heated mold. The upper film is output after forming. Packing materials feeding and filling. Complete the whole process of pumping air into vacuum state, sealing, output. For inkjet printing date of production. This machine is equipped with mobile inkjet continuous inkjet code, saving labor. Cross-cutting. Pack up the waste film. Slitting and finished product output once out of the 42 package to improve production efficiency. The backing and pattern are clear and beautiful.